Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can log into your Telegram account using your PC by scanning your QR code. So let's get started. So first we are here in telegram.org, and this is where you need to download the Telegram app for your PC, and you should choose the device that you are currently using. And as for my case, I'm using a PC, so I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna go get Telegram for Windows right here, and I want to download it, and here it is. Once it has finished downloading, you can now open it and it will automatically set up and install. Just proceed right there and here, and the setup right here, you should just go click on next and yes, and next again, next, install, next, and after that it would finish setting up, and now you can launch Telegram now. So once you're here, let's just wait a bit for it to launch, or we could just open it by ourselves right there and here. So once you are here, you can now start by clicking on start messaging right here, so that it would show off this QR code that you need to scan from your phone. So now open your phone, and here in Telegram you can now go and scan this QR code right here. All we need to do is go to the three horizontal bars on the top left of my screen and go to settings. If it's in iOS, it's probably in the bottom right of your screen. So once you're here, you want to go to devices right here and go link desktop device, and once you're there, you need to scan your code. Let's try it again, and as you can see, it has now been opened. My account is now logged into my Telegram account in my PC just by scanning my QR code without the need of password, phone numbers, and whatsoever. So that's it on how you can log in your PC using QR code in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.